Like a take. Hello everyone. I hope everyone doing great. I am looking at the other side of the window chats, your chats. So this video is all about checking out the new tools. Very recently, I have very limited time to learn actually, so it's better to have live and learn it with others. If they know others know the tools, it will be easy. For us also understanding and collaborating with others, it will be easy. That's what I think. This is the first trial that I'm doing. Hopefully many other things will get to start, and we'll see how it goes today, and we'll decide how we can plan it the next things. I hope everyone is doing great. I know many, see, I'm from India, so many of you are started sleeping or maybe scrolling shorts or Instagram reels. And, but let's see how these things are going. Um, Google, I'm not sure Google next gen, or what do you mean by next gen? But I'm going to try out this tool today. This is a Spanish and US based company. Architecture that is, it looks like amazing. We'll see Google how it goes. Whether it is a good tool or not. There is a 7 days trial. I'm going to try this for 7 days. Maybe explore it one by one. There are many options in this tool. With this, I'll create. Let's start it. Better we can go with Gmail connections directly. I can use my official ID, but I don't want to overwhelm the mail. Okay. Okay, so it is going for the trial, I believe. After that, it's asking for the credit cards. Oops. Okay. Let me try one more time. Is it asking really for this credit card? I can go with PayPal. My name is Raj Kumar. Oops, it's asking the full details. Okay. I think GST is not needed. I'm going to cancel this anyways. After the trial, recurring bill starts at 19. Okay, good. After that, it's 35,000 and 5,000 per month, and which is 410 USD. Okay, it's all based on the amount. Let's see whether it is charging or not. Yeah, Google. Maybe Google. It will impact everybody. We are thinking like that. Yes, we'll have we have to learn more. I think. Um, we'll see Google how it goes. Yeah, many tools are popping up, and I see the industry. When I was quitting from my last job, I was seeing that I was hope to have a career as my company turn into IT sector. Yes, because I saw the scope there, and the industry will turn up like that. Is really I thought as similar to that when I was starting 5 years before. I thought the same. So now industry towards that. I can see that. So it's going towards A or programming or automation. Yes. Okay. Let me. I'm logged in. So the page is already done. So I don't have any option to redirect. I can go to my design. Okay. Here we have tutorials. Let's open the tutorials side by side and open the my design option as well. And I can close the other page. So this is our website BIM modeler. We have a free families to showcase our portfolio. Okay, so these are the good tutorials. I think they have a number of tutorials. Okay, we'll see when we are stuck. We'll do the self-explanatory. So as I said, I don't know about this tool, so we are going to explore one by one. So I'm into consultancy. I'm into 0 to 50 and BIM modeler. Yeah, kind of director. Design types you focus on. I'm going to explore. Okay, maybe single family. Okay, BIM modeler. Web. They do have a demo project, I think, so we can go and view it or we can download it. There are many options. The beauty is that they do have areas and or how much percentage of utilization is happening and the price also there. And I hope there will be many option settings will be there behind that. Yeah, whenever we try to learn any software, the interface will be very tough to understand in the initial time. Okay, this is a sample project that we have. Here being a demo project. This project cannot be edited. Oh, okay. If it is editable, it's much more good thing. Okay. Now we are in the interface right side as usual in Revit or any other software. We have a property, I believe. Plot areas, schedules. Yeah. Planned area, target, planned residential. Okay, they have a categorization. Okay. Residential. Okay, total areas. Housing. Okay, they have good categories. Oh, there are much. Okay, much more details. Okay, housing mix in plot. Okay, studio 0 1B apart. Okay, 2B. Okay, how many bedrooms? Okay, so many details. Below grade area and ratio. Parking space. Okay, I think common utility places. Yeah. Estimate summary. Okay. Breakdown. Okay, these all are not showing the price. Not sure about the price or any other details. Area, I believe those details are not shown. Okay. No, if you see this tool, Google, these all are not done by AI. But what happens is that when you have a plot size, you can lay out by yourself the video. If you see the introduction video, yeah, you'll be able to understand what is happening. See, it's building, and it's amazing that when you see when you give a size, you see you can define the plot, and based on the parameters the buildings are generated, and even you can customize room size and areas that you needed. So this is how it works. This is a good thing for initial conceptual design from Autodesk. There are many tools launched and many tools closed. But you can see that on the right side we have our properties. We can export as Excel, CAD files can be exported, BIM can be exported. Let's go and explore the model. That's the thing that we will love. After the cloud competition, many things have come. Add camera. Oh, is it? Will it not come automatically? Oh, cost. Oh, that's the reason it's showing 0. Okay. So when we are upgrading the plan, we will be able to see the cost. Remind me later. I just want to see the plan and the model. Okay, where do I see it? Let me go back and come. Okay, it's stuck. Not sure. It's not my fault. Okay, my design. Going back to the view. Yes, Google. Wow, that's the reason I'm trying to see it. Got it. And I'm selecting the model building 1. Okay, it's zoom into that place. The remaining things are hiding. Okay, good thing. Okay, then if I click on any other spaces, oh, okay, the other places are grayed out and we have only that particular residential space which got selected. What about the detail of this model? Okay, this is quite good. How do I come back? If I click outside or if I click, okay, edit mode randomly. Okay, the side panel can be closable. What does that do? Okay, the properties are here to control minimum dimensions. Okay, dimensions, measure. Okay, good. We have the tool to measure. Okay, continuous measurement tool. Okay. Oh, we can move by floor. Okay, good thing. And how do I come back? That's the main thing. Okay, these are the snapping points. Okay, AutoCAD on the cloud. Okay, got it. So we have a button here. Once if we click one building, it zooms in. We can come back by clicking the button over in this place. Is it? Okay, by clicking the demo project, it comes out. Okay, so now if we go to the, I wanted to see them in the 3D. Rotate, no rotate option. Only pan works. Model. Let's try and see in the 3D. Meanwhile, I have opened Revit 2020. Let's start a new project. Okay, any template, fine. I like to export tools. I like to export some of the CAD, Excel, everything, and try to see what is there. Okay, Excel is open. Oh, I think, okay, 58 MB. Wow, lot of data, I think. CAD also, let us try and download it. BIM as well. So they are exporting, as per the video they said, they are exporting the IFC file. We may have to import them into the Revit. This model is still loading. I'm not sure whether I have to add the camera. Let me, camera height. Okay, let me, how do I give enter? Okay, I clicked somehow randomly. Okay, so this file, which Excel file which contains many pages. This is a demo page, initial pages, I believe. Oh, it's exporting all of them as images, or okay, building by building details. Okay, reports. Okay, I think this is good. Even column beam stress details are there. So always it comes when this is design. Okay, data is coming. Okay, fine. Is it bi-directional? That is the main thing that we will have a problem. What happens after the initial design is completed and people started modeling in Revit? Suddenly one building or anything needs to be analyzed. Bi-directional association will be a thing. I think this is an image. This will be good for a small residential builders, I think. They don't have to search for many plans. Yeah, but they do have to buy it. Yep, yeah, it's image. Okay, full floor plan, data and floor plans. Not sure how they are aligned or what scale they are aligned. Is there a scale? Yes, I believe 1 meter it's mentioned. Yes. Okay. All of them are. Oops. Everything is floor plan. Every floor plans are extracted as an image and added. Okay. Okay. So the data and the details are exported as files. Okay. Let's go and open this file. CAD. Wow. All are not DWG files. All are DXF files. And this could be data and this could be floor plan and 3D also there. Good. And let's open this AutoCAD application. Yes, make it as read only, no issues. Yep, looks like elevation level values. Yes, some of them are not exported. Overlapping text we have, and let's try this one. Yeah, elevations. Okay, fair enough. Okay, floor plans. And what about the dimensions? Dimensions are missing. Maybe export settings will be there. Hi, if you're watching this, say hi if you're new. Yep. Okay, so 3D. This is going to be a bigger file. Hi. Still loading. What about the browser? I think I have to watch the tutorial. 3D model, how do we do it? Auto editing mode, manual editing mode, randomly editing mode. Okay, 3D model here we have. Okay. Okay, AutoCAD. Still opening. Okay. Let's see. How do they do it? Okay. They have not shown. Okay. Auto. Okay. Well. Okay, these options are not showing. Okay, let's go back to the plan or go back to the my design option and let's create a new design and see. Office building or residential. Okay, residential. Okay, country. Okay, design locality. Let's say Coimbatore. I don't see Karur. Metric. I like to go with metric. Okay. They took the image. Okay, name is okay. Nothing is there. Okay, fine. Send. I don't want to send it. Go to editor. Okay, this is good. Okay. Is it AutoCAD loading done? Yes. This also finished. Okay, what is happening? Looks like it's still loading. I have a good configuration, so 32 GB RAM. Graphics also good. Still seems like heavy. Shaded. Still. Okay, still loading. Okay, done. Okay. Okay. Good options are there. Let's go back and continue. What options we have? Let's explore one by one. The first is the unit system. Okay. We can upload if we have a building plan, we can upload it. Or what to do if in case of we are drawing. We can rotate it. Okay. Import project location. Okay. Good. Let's go back. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay. Let's try a small portion somewhere in here. Is it need to be selected? No. What is this one? Rectangle. Okay, we have to select it. We can select it, then click import. Okay, we have option to import from the map. That is good. I believe this will be added as a layer as a AutoCAD file. I'm not sure. This option is available in AutoCAD cloud platform. If anyone of you used it, to share it, to share if you know it. Good thing, good thing. Okay, model loaded. Continue. And I don't think I think it's some of the tools are showing in Spanish. Okay. Let's say this is the plot and plot layer, building layer. Okay, if we are importing, that's the AutoCAD. Apartment units. Let's say 36. 4-bedroom apartment. Let's say 14%. Okay, both numbers it shows. Good. And okay, the 2-bedroom apartment options are reducing automatically when we are increasing this. Okay, let's say 3-bedroom apartment we have like 20%. Good. And let's say 2-bedroom we have this much. Okay, studio do we have? Not sure why it's not enabled, or maybe we have to reduce. Okay, if we are reducing 1-bedroom only, studios are automatically aligned with the remaining portions. Okay, good. Plot area. I'm not sure about the plot area. Let me keep this as this much. Why? Okay, this is it not able to pick it up from the map? About this we have to explore. Residential development potential. Okay, maybe this is based on the approval. So how much area allowed to build up? Commercial development potential. Let's say this much. Plot maximum building coverage in a plot. Okay, maybe say 3,900. Is it editable? Wow, super. Swimming pool area. Okay, this is the one thing that I like the most. Swimming pool. Okay, 400. Communal garden. Okay, total project estimate. Okay, how much we can spend? Okay, this is too much. Okay, not sure how much it is in the euro. Total, let's make it as 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Let's say total parking space. We have to park like 600 based on the house total storage room. Okay, we may have to have 25. Okay, now what? We can minimize this. We can minimize this. And unit also we can minimize. Is it possible to draw? No. When we are going to draw this? Okay. Let it be as it is. Exclude zoning area. Advanced control. Red areas. Yellow areas threshold. Okay, let's explore once if it is coming. Okay. All values are set. I'm sorry if you heard that. Let's save this once again and explore the possibility. Okay, how do we do this? Generating building architecture. Okay, this is the one. How do they do it? Okay, we have to click the building. Okay, we have to see always the button, dark buttons. Okay, building. Okay. Okay, so I think we have taken more length. Let's say enter. Okay, this is one space. And let it be. Let's see. It's a good thing. Okay. And the system also very slow. We have a plot. Okay, generated. Okay, this is the reason it's slow. Okay. It's generating the model. Okay. Okay. All the areas and everything it is calculating. Okay. 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 Still we can see the line. Is it possible to edit? Okay, still it's editing. Okay. Not sure how do we move this totally. We have gone other side of the boundary. Okay. Okay. The houses are in place. Good. I want to see them in the 3D because the previous one we couldn't see it. Oh, is it really that we need to add camera? We don't know how to do that. Okay, it's a bit slow, maybe due to the plan generation or model generation. Um, we must have tried one building, maybe 1 or 2 BHKs. Quickly, we can see the tutorial. You can watch it in much speed. Yeah, we can see that. Good. The editor. Okay. Hello, everyone. Say hi if you're watching this. Yeah, that's what they're saying. So the same thing. When we click, it goes in. As like Revit, whatever the plan you're in, it will show the property of that. Okay. Based on these selections, you have option on the left side and the right side. You can change property. Yeah, definitely I will watch continuously next tutorial. Yep. Okay. Undo. Redo. How do they do it? Oh, but how is it possible with a single click it came? Okay. So Okay. If there are many views, okay, it's stuck. It's still slow. Okay. Not responding to clicks. Is it based on the net speed? Now it's enabled, but we couldn't see the plan in the plan tab. There are three editing options: automatic and manual and random. We are in automatic, but I can understand it. Good one, good one. But why it's not showing? Okay, I think this is a camera property. Okay, down, perspective, solar range. Okay, solar path. Where is the building? Solar path is there. Down, perspective, solar buildings. Where is the building? Is it somewhere? Perspective or top, two options are there. Yes, we tried that. Okay. I do remember if we right click, the values will reset in some other softwares. Maybe Max, I think. Max or Maya. Okay, let's go back and explore if they have a project. Manual editing, more randomly editing, loading the project context. Okay, this is the place they start project, I think. General project configuration. Okay, then panel. Okay. I think from here we can start. They have imported AutoCAD. Hmm. Okay. Wow. So they said that the polyline will add the model. Yes, we have done it there, but now it's not showing. Why is it so? Okay, let's save this and go back. Come in. Let's see what happens. My design. I want to go to my design. Loading project. Okay, load it please. How do I edit the polyline if I want to move the place? Where is it? Where is the building? Building is maybe recreating. Okay, zooming in and out takes longer. It's not fluid as like any other software. It's like opening AutoCAD for bigger files or Revit bigger files. Okay, I don't see the building. Okay, why is it so? We imported it. Target. Let's say the same thing, and let's say building. And I want to draw very small, like 10 meter like this, and give enter. Is there any status bar to explain? Press enter. Okay, press enter. Okay, let me press enter. This is the building that I have. Okay, draw it please. Okay. Still it's loading and configurations are happening. Okay. Okay, I think configurations are done. Structural grids, shapes, structural grids. Okay, these are the place grids needs to come. Okay. Trim. No. Back. Multi-story edition. Floor. Okay, there are 3 floors. Okay. Okay, everything is good. Okay. Will it show? Will it show in 3D? That's my question. Will it show in 3D? Wow. Wow. Finally. Finally. We are able to see the buildings, blocks in the city. Okay. How do I rotate? Alt control which key rotates? Oh, just a click. Okay. Just click rotates. Okay. Okay. My apartment is ready. Now we are in auto and I'm trying to click this portion. And why the previous time the bigger building is not shown? Is it because I'm trial or is it taking the bandwidth? Not sure. Maybe we have to try and see it. Okay. Hmm. Is it going to be commonplace plant room? I'm trying to pan. Okay, pan is right click. Okay, okay. All controls are in my mouse only. Okay, is it possible to click? Unable to click the object as like any other softwares. Elements are unable to select. Add camera, I don't want it. Let's see. Building, only one building we have. Okay. Building one. How do we go inside the floor section box? Is there any option for seeing them in these sections? Okay, location details, camera details are there. I Google and Karthik, are you there? Okay, so what is the net speed right now? Okay, let me go and check the net speed once. Seems like my browser is taking more bandwidth. Okay. I want to select the objects and manual. Let me go manual edit mode. Edit manual. In case of returning to auto editing manually, modification made during manual editing will be lost. Oh, okay. We do any manually, any changes? How do we do the changes? Randomly. The project has been saved and cannot be modified. To modify it, switch to auto or manual editing mode. Also duplicate it in the list of design. Oh, continue, please. Delete it. You can delete it. Okay, so now save it once. I think it should be saving automatically. Cast. Okay. Why they are not giving this option in the trial? A powered design. Okay. Upgrade to Pro more to unlock the full potential functionalities of this platform. A powered design, manual edition, parking design, budget, real-time measurements, surface chart. Okay. Save, duplicate, and share your design. Okay, okay. Download project in Excel. Okay. Remind me later. But I want to see. Okay. We have to go for Pro. Okay. What are the pricing plans are there? And what plan I'm in? Pro Business Enterprise. I have taken a trial. It should be in Pro, at least. Okay, options are there, unlimited. Okay. Hmm. OpenStreetMap, cloud storage 200 design. Okay. A 7-day trial on the annual subscription of Pro plan, right? Then why it is asking for 7-day? We are on trial and it's which is in the Pro plan. Pro plan should allow to see the cost. I can't be see them. Okay. Okay, going back to the plan. Let's explore what can be done. Now, if I select the building names, automatically it shows how many floors are here. Let's say that I want to edit the floor 1. Opens that floor. These options are good. Okay. And if I want to select this apartment, I can select it. Then I have the option access position. Okay. Building type. Sorry. Building width. Okay. This option takes time to generate. Okay. So why this is, I'm increasing the size. Okay, on the other side it reduces. Okay, if we don't want to do this, we may have to manually edit it. Okay. Setbacks on short fit area. Okay. Is it automatically applies core position front? I want to change that. Okay, it's taking some time. If it is possible, I want to change that into the other side. I think it's going to change in the full building and it's going to regenerate it. This is good. Okay. I believe if you are an engineer, if you are an architect with a small experience, um, if you want to explore the possibility of the designs in the initial conceptual stage and exploring the options with the clients, you can use this tool. Once this is done, we can move to the other tool, detailed design. That way, it'll be good. But why this is taking long time? Server not responding. Good. Okay, the geometry not updated. Save it once. Okay, so we may have to see the server bandwidth if we are working with these servers. we may have to see the server bandwidth so that we will be able to be ready whether to save before changing any option or not. Also, there must be an auto save option. I don't know whether it saves or not automatically. Where is the... Okay, I've selected the unit. Mix 4B. There are many options to change. We can control all the floors one by one. Okay, this is the line that we drew. Okay, when I select that, it goes somewhere. Not sure, it's loading again. Okay, if I select the stair, what happens? Lift, general floor design. Okay, access position. Okay, this is about overall building. What about the stair? It's again stuck. We select it, there are different options. Access. Okay, this is the same options we try to change, I think. If we change this core to the right side, my right side, we may have to have it on the other side as well. Other side of the building. It should have a 4 options: bottom, left, right, top. Okay, the project has been successfully saved. This is the status place, I think. So the project is saving automatically. Understood, understood. But why do we need... Is it taking some time to save? Or if we change anything, it saves? Maybe. Why do we have this button then? Okay, now what is happening? What happened? What happened with the left or right? Oh, it's changing the direction of the stair. How do we run the direction of the stair? I thought the position of the stair. Okay, it's not the position. So is it possible to drag and drop? Is it? Okay, it's even showing the dimensions. It's not able to select it. We may have to go editing options. Manual continue. I can go select the score. Is it possible to change weird shape? Okay, we cannot move the point. We can move the line, not the edge. Okay, we have to click and drag. Okay, will it change? This is a core, right? So will it change on the other floor? We are in standard floor. Okay, it's not changing on the other floor. If it is a lift core, it should change automatically, or align that in the 3D if it is possible to edit it in 3D. Okay. So party wall, terrace, let's say exterior enclosure. If I click the exterior enclosure, it's asking me to draw it. If I draw something like this, what happens? If I give enter, is it a wall? Yes, I believe. What do we do in 3D? Okay, you can see the wall. 3D means we will be able to draw the objects as per our requirement. We can manually draw the plans as well, so that the cost and the areas and every data will be calculated automatically based on the geometry. Oh. Okay, is it possible to edit it here? Hmm. Now I have explored a little bit without seeing the tutorials. So some tutorials we saw. If I go back and see the tutorial now, I clearly understand what is happening with this tool. It's amazing tool. Maybe they have to increase the server. Maybe I have to increase the net speed. But myself not sure which one is what. Let's go back. Go back to the plan, and I have added on this. If I select it, okay. If I okay, okay, I have to click on the edge, the point, then I have to move it. Exterior. If it is a sketch, party wall, terrace separation divided with code. Maybe these, what type of wall we are using? Yes. Okay, one wall is drawn. And these are the tools that we can draw. Drawing options are available here. Okay. Sketch what? Not sure. But okay. Block. Okay, this is going to generate the entire block, I believe. So we can delete this wall. Okay, delete key works. And I'm not sure split what it does. Maybe building split. Let me go back and draw the another block. Maybe this far. Enter. What is this? Oh, it's just a sketch. Okay. Sketch. Okay. Block. Okay. Oh. Block means we are going to place it. Is it? Oh, is it lock? Lock option they mean to say. Lock. Okay, let me select the wall, then we understand. Okay. Wizard. Partition. Everything is on blocking. That case, if I select and drag, it's not moving. Or if I select this wall, should not move. Okay. Unblock everything, then try it. Select wall. It's moving. When I move, the beauty of this one, if we see it, if we move it, the circle, the usability, the circle ranges are changing automatically. This is very much important for an architect to initial design. How much area, the accessible area we have. Like, okay, this is good. Split means what it will do. So let's split the room. It's a living room. Okay, so it's taking the room names automatically. Is it possible to edit the living room name? No. External terrace. Sketch enclosure, partition, shaft, window doors. How do I draw this? How do I draw manually? Once if I go back, everything will be lost. Okay, it's okay. We came to the automatic. Now I want to draw a building. I want to go back to building. I want to go back to the armor option. Now we have the option to building. Okay, so we have to come back in the automatic mode to the residential building option. We'll have building or topography environment. Let's see what is there in the environment. We can draw them. Okay, we can draw them when we are in the residential box. Okay, it's again it's slow. I'm not sure what it does. Enter. I just drew the environment. Not sure what is it's going to do. Delete this model. Not sure. Okay. Select it. It's move distance, length. Select delete. It works. Not urbanization. Okay. Swing goal. Okay. Is it need to be square? Then it draws. Is it? I think so. Let's draw that square shape or maybe any shape. Finish it. Okay. Is it going to be the same for the environment? Back. Okay. Is there a shape? Does it need to be drawn one by one? What is that? Let's see. Swimming pool, we have a depth. Okay. What about the environment? Is it planting plants or something? What it will do? Not sure. Plant urbanize plot. Okay, even we can do the plots. Okay. Hello everyone. So let me know. So whether how this tool is. How do you see this tool? Is it useful for architect for initial planning? Not sure about the plans. If they are doing the plots, will it be helpful in the initial time instead of doing the person who does the planning or city planning? I think this will be the great tool. We have to separately explore that as well. Okay, so as I told you, so I'm not aware of this tool and I'm just exploring what is happening with this tool. So looks like good tool in the seeing like it's a good tool servers needs slow, which is needs to be checked. Overall, it's a good tool. Again, let's, is it allowed? I'm not sure. And then if we are in the trial mode, we are allowed to create how many projects we are allowed to create. Not sure. Okay. If you're watching, say hi so that I'll be able to respond to you. Let's create another design. Okay, I think let's try plots. Okay, let's create again. Okay, it's allowed to create. Not sure how many projects. It's not showing the property still. Residential, commercial. Okay, so we can limit it whether is it a residential or commercial. So parking, they have given a separate space, means maybe a lot of tool will be there, I believe. Plots, okay. Names can be edited here, I think, after clicking, yeah. And we can delete the projects. Basic settings are here. We can share design. How do we share it? Let's share this one. View mode, edit mode, only with mail. Oh, okay. Why not? Why not? Okay. So if we are going with edit options and explore the plot, okay, plot. Let's say why don't we have a square bars, circle, snapping options. Okay, if I do this, what happens? I think a single plot, I think. Will it line tree, tree, new tree? Okay, we have the property here, video. Okay, and okay, random. You do it yourself. Place it randomly. Okay, and we can change the angle. 3 rotates, I believe. Going back, new tree, tree area. Tree size random. Number of trees 10. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Enter. Okay, so in the given area, 10 trees are coming. Okay. Okay. Let's say we maybe we have the entire place. Is it done? 3D model? Where is the crash? Is there any view visual styles available? Okay. Environment. Is it top works? Yes. Now it works. Previously it is not loaded. Okay. Okay. These all are environment elements, so it's like a layered sliding. Solar path. Solar range. Okay. This works fine. Okay, plot. Plot urbanization. Spot area. Sports area. Okay, it could be a ground, I believe. Playground. Playground. What is it as? We need definitely different shapes. We cannot draw all the time like this. Then sports area, what is it's going to do? It should have an option to load the different codes, maybe football or any other indoor game, outdoor game. Automatically it should appear the code sizes, right? And then it will be awesome. Playground, swimming pools. Okay, so why it's not showing the names? When I selected it shows. It should show in the floor plan, right? Why am I doing wrong? Anything wrong? If I select it, it shows. Is it editable? No. Where do we edit the names? Even the room names are not editable. Living room it showed previously. Maybe we have to edit it in the detail design. Topography. Point. Self-leveling platforms. Let's go with point and new point. We can define the height. Let's say 0. Let's say we have our topography, all these areas. Now if we go back, is it possible to edit? Yep. Why it's in different shape, not sure. How does it look? Okay, let's go back and create the building. The building should appear, let's say, in the in here maybe. Is it create? Is it creating? Is it? Yeah, yeah, it's creating. Okay, saved successfully. It shows. Is it showing the option progress option? Is it showing the progress option whether it's updating or not? Hmm. Okay, it's not showing then. Hmm. Great tool. Okay. Maybe I will be exploring this tool again tomorrow. How does it operates? I will explore it a little bit on my own time. I'll come up with the options. What are the options available? Where and when do we select? Is it possible to select Imperial now? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now it shows. Okay. Good, good, good. This is good options. Okay, when we are doing, we can change the dimensions values. Cross area, delete. Okay, now it comes. It's not selecting the building, it's overlapping with each other. Okay, plot. Let me. It's grass area that I want to select. Okay, difficult to understand what element I'm selecting and I'm trying to move. Okay, got it finally. Now if I select, it selects the apartment. Okay, building is selected now. Hi everyone. So, it's almost 1 hour 30 minutes now. Two people are still watching. Not sure who it is. If you interact, it will be more than happy to do it. You can follow our channel, YouTube channel. Also, you can connect with me and follow me on the LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn address. If you're following up, you can follow me on LinkedIn. I like to go on this tutorial till first round at until 100 views. Now we are in 92. Good thing. Okay. I really want to see that in the cast actually. How it creates, what are the parameters it controls? Is there any input parameters that what material, because worldwide material cost varies. Does it includes the labor cost? If it is not, is there a column to add for the labors? So then it will be good. I want to see that. I really want to see that. Okay. So what's up? What's up, one everyone? How's it going? What everyone is doing now? What is it randomly will do? Project in view mode. The project has been saved and cannot be modified. To modify it, you switch to edit mode. You can also duplicate it. Then why it is randomly? Randomly what it will do? Not sure. If I hover, yes, it says the answer. In this mode, editing is disabled. Why? Why it is disabled? It is designed to share the project with other user or third parties that we do not want to have the ability to edit the project. Oh, why then it is? Oh my god! It's not randomly. It's read only. Okay, read only. So what about the mode that we are keeping and sharing? That mode remains, I believe. Is it? Okay, there are three modes. Okay, definitely I have to do eye checkup, or I have to change the specs. Okay, then we don't have edit option. If I go automatic, this menu, editing menu comes. Okay, good. What is happening here? So, okay, the scale changes. Good one. All the snapping options are enabled. Basement -1. Abogram. Okay. What is this options do? Okay, this go backs like design. So it's like again design. Let's go back. Okay. Going back to the project again. Okay. No other options available, I believe. Yes. That's it. We may have to explore the cost options, which is not, we are not allowed in the trial versions. Okay. We may not be knowing it. It may be available that we will be able to select the element. We may not be knowing it at the moment, but we'll explore all the tutorials available in this page. Definitely we will be able to do it. We have to explore the parking budget. We are not allowed, I believe. If there is options, definitely I will do. Download your documents. Okay, completely will check that tomorrow. And I'll come up as a tutorial if possible. This is very good tool that we can explore. Is it possible? Is it possible to collaborate multiple people at a time, or is it read only for the others? If they have the edit option, if I'm sharing that in the edit mode, I'm curious. other person can join. If that case, you will be able to join. If I'm adding your email ID to this address, the people can join. Yeah, we have to explore that option as well. Then where is it? Where is this? Oh my god. Then what is the purpose of this trial? Only demo projects can be exported. Okay, maybe many people have used this trial, but they don't want to give this trial to many people that they will explore these options and they will use 7 days. Within 7 days, they will explore the buildings that they wanted to construct. Maybe that's the reason they disabled these options. Not sure what are the other options are disabled. Are these options? What is the meaning of a power design? Am I not using that right now? Maybe is it prompt based? It could be. They have to answer architectures. Okay, maybe. So if you are a BIM person, if you are watching this, say hi. We are BIM modelers. We do have free families in our website, and we do BIM modeling services. Especially our teams are good at an MEP service modeling, 2D to 3D, PDF to Rivet, or DWG to Rivet. We do class predictions as well. And if you are watching this, do refer us if you have any project. We'll be able to complete it, and we'll check and let you know, first of all, what is possible, what is not possible. If our teams are free, we will be able to work together. Definitely, this is a good software. I'll explore, as I said, tomorrow with this tool. Then I'll make this as a different tutorial that what it can do. So thank you so much for watching and staying with us this long. And I'm not sure that who's watching, unless otherwise you give us shout out in the chat. Okay, thank you so much. I'll look into this and see you on the next tool that I'm going to explore. Before that, you'll have a tutorial that what it can be done in in this trial versions. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Let me know if you are exploring this tool by yourself. Self. Is it is it going is it based on your is it going to be based on the server speed or is it based on the network speed? Let me know what you think, what problem you had. They are not allowing us to use the A. That's the one thing that I regret the most. What happens? Okay. I also felt that I wanted to download this in AEC file and then wanted to export that into Rivet tomorrow. Yeah, I'll definitely explore this. Okay, so if you do like, to give a thumbs up and share it with your learning friends. It'll be much more helpful if they are watching. If you feel this is a new tool, definitely give a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you so much for the two persons. They stayed from the beginning. Now, great. And I'm leaving now. Take care. Bye bye.